For these two food, guys, is the best food for every babies. In a clean pot, I have in hot water. So over here, I will add in a teaspoon of cooking oil. So now I will add in pasta. So I'll be making use of pasta on this recipe. After doing that, I will cover the pasta to cook for 10 minutes. So I will just stir and cover this to cook for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, the pasta has cooked. So at this point, it's ready. Making this food, I'm not going to use only pasta. I'm still going to add in other ingredients to complete the food. So at this point, the pasta is cooked. I will just turn off the heat. So the next ingredient is avocado pear. So combining avocado, pear and pasta together and feed your baby is #1 puree ever. So this is just the best. So over here is the pear, and then I will add in the pasta on top of the pear, then blend this together. Trust me guys, this is just the best and the healthiest food ever for every kids. So I will be blending with milk. So now I will blend until it form a beautiful puree. So this is just the best food ever. So this too is just so amazing. You don't need anything, just 2 ingredients is good to go. So now I will add it in the feeding bowl and let your children to enjoy. So next we have cooking pot. So over here I will add in chopped carrot. So carrot is healthiest food ever. This will cook for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, I will add in pasta, then cover this to cook for 10 minutes together. So 10 minutes later, the pasta and the carrot is cooked. Just take a good look at that. So at this point, it's cooked and it's soft. So cooking the carrot, you don't have to give it 100% cook. 50% is okay. Then you can blend in the carrot and the pasta together since the pasta is already cooked. So now I will add it inside the blending cup, then add the milk. I always blend with cow milk. So this is fresh cow milk, then I will mix together. This is just so amazing. Even you as mother can take this just for a while and focus on your day. So this is just the best food ever for your kids. 2 years, 6 months, 5 years, 10 years baby can go with this. It's just so nice. Just add it in the feeding bowl and give them to enjoy. Just nice and lovely. Even me as mom, I take it too along with my kids. So this is just for today, and any of this you are going to try it, let me know in the comment section, and you can as well try both of it. And don't forget to share the post. See you in my next one. Bye.